So for the last few years, my buddy Cory and I have been going to his cabin at Riou Lake in the fall to target large northern pike. We end up with a lot of good pictures like these ones, and inevitably somebody says, "Hey, take me along." And for the most part, I'd love to, but the logistics just don't work out for most people. Many people consider Prince Albert to be northern Saskatchewan, when in reality, we go 12-hour drive north of there to get to Stony Rapids, where we launch from to get to Riou Lake. Luckily, Cory lives up in Stony Rapids, and I had just been fishing up at Lake Athabasca for the trout spawn in the fall. This time I arrived by boat. Let's hit the road.
First picture the camera's gonna take or what?
First video heading into Rio. 5:30 in the morning. She's dark.
10 kilometers an hour.
Takes. Oh, they're getting shook up right now. So it's the quarter to 7, and we're finally making our way into Riou Lake. He's a little bumpy. Yep, coming up on Riou Lake here. And she's a little bumpy. Wonder how this will look after. I mean, it's supposed to have stabilization and shit, but like, what are you supposed to do about this? This is good thing I'm a professional.
Beer in one hand, fucking GoPro in the other.
Yeah.
It's a good thing this road is so smooth.
Which part? When's the smooth part coming?
When we're on the lake.
Oh yeah. It's gonna be nice and smooth today.
Oh, bastard! He always parks his trailer there.
Your spot that you cleared.
I know. Fucking dick. Wasn't he back in that car? Getting stuck?
This one?
Huh?
Getting distracted by making videos. All right, we made it here. Let's get into the fishing.
Just had a hit. Oh, I got a fish. Yeah. I don't know how to. That's a good one. That's a big. There's a big one behind you too. Oh, that one's 40 plus. How you feel about that? See the one under it?
Probably that one we've been chasing for a while.
There. 43. 43 incher. Oh.
So as you can see from the footage, we had an awesome weather this time and the fish cooperated. What you don't see is the miserable weather we deal with sometimes this time of year. The extra work it takes to get up here, some interruptions that just pop up sometimes, and you just can't video how bumpy that road actually is. But those things are exactly what makes it worthwhile, when it all comes together and you have the perfect trip. No personal best this time, but no complaints either. We didn't even end up eating a pike on this trip, all catch and release.
Okay, Dever, we're recording.
Recording?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, buddy. Well, bring him up to the light. Kind of looks kind of big. Kind of looks kind of big. Uh-oh. He's over there. There's your fish. Shit, that's a big kind of sweet fish. Uh-oh, bleeding. Doesn't fit in the net. And it's bleeding. You better deal with this fast. Cory, deal with your fish.
What do you think I'm doing?
Just deal with your fish. It's big and it's bleeding. It's violent.
Yeah, shit, I'd be violent too.
Oh, this one is not happy with you. Jeez. Looks kind of big.
Just a bit.
There we go. Spreader's off. Yep. Give me the tape. Right to there. 45 inches.
Another 45.
Wait a second. You gotta go the other side. Video and ready for the release.
He's got it in his mouth. There goes Kevin's dick.
Here goes crazy. Oh, freak. Oh, but it's out here.
Yeah.
Uh-oh. Check your line.
It's on video now.
Oh, God. 41. Let her rip. All right, here we go. Time will tell. Come here, you big fucking filthy animal. We're going right there. 42 and a half.
Really?
Wow, that's a big 42 and a half.
Yeah. It's even longer than that.
Okay, let me.
That's
It's heavy.
Right, it's heavy. Look at how fucking huge that thing is on the shoulders.
Just put it in the net.
I'm trying to. Get him to the boat.
Trying to.
I'm gonna end up on the rocks.
Okay, here you go.
Yep.
It ain't easy, hey?
Which?
Doing both?
Both? No.
That's a thick. It's not that long. It's thick though.
Yeah.
Eh?
Kevin, what happened to your fish hook there, bud? I
So
see it's in the fish, but there's no line attached to it.
I hooked a fish. And then my line broke. And then all of a sudden Cory's hook was tangled in my line and my fish was gone, and we drove the boat over there and netted it. And I got my hook back. It's got no line attached to it at all, and it's like a 40-inch pike. Pretty sweet.
How the fuck did that fish is all fucking fucked.
Well, why did it stay on the surface for us? And
I
now
don't know. It's all right though.
we solved the mystery.
Grab that fuck.
Oh, he almost got out. There was some line on there. Where is it going? Just around him, and then a break. This is that nasty fish that somehow didn't steal my hook. I don't know how. Your suspenders, and you're taking a leak, driving the boat. You got shit going on.
Try nuts driving the island.
I don't know, we're getting a little bit close to shore here.
No, we're not. We're perfect. No, it's the
Hit it.
Wow! Look at that thing! It's fucking huge! Whoa!
What a mess it made. Oh shit, Eric. Fucking, where's the scale?
Where is it? Where did my scale go?
There you go. Oh, that's thick, eh?
Yeah.
Nice. Beauty.
Not fighting very well. Just a log coming up from the deep.
Fall pike.
Ball pike. You gonna net this thing?
Sure. The hell is that?
Huh?
Look at that. Big fish. In the net. Yep.
Fish probably. I would think that's a 40-incher.
All right. Ooh. She gone.
Yeah, it is. Don't do that.
Oh.
Look at that fucking chomp.
Unwrap. Oh, look at the way the hook is. There. Oh. Ah, yeah. Now it's
Here,
good.
see,
Ouch.
I want whatever fit that fucking thing in the head.
You want a picture of that or
Yeah.
just flick it off? See you later. Oh, yeah.
Smallest one in the trip. Of course, it's got to be on the GoPro. Look at that fucking mink. Still getting him?
Yeah, I think so.
He's in shore now.
We're just gonna flick this one off.
Not bad fish either.
What do
Just
you?
wait. Let me get mine up here.
Oh yeah. The meeting of the minds there.
Yep.
Oh shit.
No!
Oh, I gotta fight again now. Mine had given up, but now it's back to fighting.
So what, 240s there?
240 is gonna flick it off. Hang on to this. I'll flick them off. Looks like it should be easy to get rid of. There's one. And two. There you go.
There we go. Woo!
Now get your hook off it. Your hook's out, actually.
So is the fish.
I guess if you want a picture. There you go. All right. GoPro, stop recording.
Yeah.
What does it say? You gonna sleep like a baby tonight?
Yeah. Deserve it.
Let's go, karma. Shit. All
Alright, that's it for us for this trip. That's what 3.5 days of fishing at Riou Lake can look like in the fall. Hope you liked the video. If you're still here, click like. Thank you very much, and we'll see you in the next one.